In this video, I'll show you how to revoke permissions on Trust Wallet. So open up your Trust Wallet. I think the very first thing you need to do, make sure you go and disconnect. Okay, the first thing you need to do, just go to your browsers, like that gear icon, click on preference, click on the browser, come on here, click on clear browser cache. So once I've cleared it now, what you need to do, go to all the sites you have previously connected to and disconnect. This is very, very important. This is very, very helpful. So if you go to this discover, I think I've connected to, let me say, if I've connected to pancake swap. So what you need to do, let's say if I've connected to this, I'm going to just come on here and make sure I disconnect everything entirely, right? So if I've currently connected to this, so I think I previously connected to this. So make sure you go and make sure you go and disconnect all the sites you are connected to. So with that, you can be able to revoke permissions on Trust Wallet. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next video.